Mr. X is 14th from the front and Mr. Y is 17th from the end. So we have a queue here given. Position of X from the front and position of Y from behind is given, while Mr. Z is exactly between Mr. X and Y, and we have Z exactly between X and Y. But now the question is, we can have X here, Y here, and Z exactly here, or else we can also have X from the front here, Y from behind here, and Z exactly in middle. दोनों केस पॉसिबल है, but it says Mr. X is ahead of Mr. Y and there are 48%. So Mr. X is ahead of Mr. Y, that means X यहीं होना चाहिए. ये गलत केस है. We'll go with this. We'll go with this case, that we have Mr. X here, we have Mr. Y here, Mr. Z is somewhere in middle. Mr. X is 14th from the front, Mr. Y is 17th from the end, so he is 17th from the end. Z is exactly in the middle. If Mr. X is ahead of Mr. Y and there are 48 persons, so in total you have 48 persons in this. If there are 48 persons, how many persons are there between Mr. X and Mr. Z? So we are supposed to find out how many persons are there in between these two, between Mr. X and Mr. Z. अब इसको कैसे करेंगे? Now see, first we know that where is your X and Y living. From the start and from the end, we know this, that where are they. We can find their positions from one of the end. If I know their positions from one of the end, accordingly I can know the position of Z from one of the end. कैसे निकालेंगे? We know Y's position from behind and X position from ahead. Let's calculate their position from ahead only. So if he is 17th from behind, that means there are, if Y is 17th from behind, this is Y, he is 17th from behind, that means there are 16 people behind him. Total there are 48 people. So remaining 31 people should be ahead of him. 31 people are ahead of him. That means if I need to calculate his position from ahead, it should be 32nd. So position of Y is 32nd from the front. So this position is 32nd from the front. So this particular position is 32nd. Ab it is given that Z lies exactly in between X and Y. So from here to here, if you see, what is the difference? From here to here, the difference is 18. If this difference is 18, that means this difference should be 9 and this difference should be 9. That means X and Z, the difference should be 9. So this should be 23. 14 plus 9 is 23. So if this is 14th and this is 23rd, how many people are there? You have only 8 people in between. Difference 9 का था, मतलब बीच में कितने लोग हैं? बीच में तो 8 ही हुए. 14 के बाद 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So these are the 8 people that will lie in between this. This was your answer, that is C, 8th.